Welcome to this video series about the MTP toolchain. I have two guests today with me. One is from ePlan, Klaus Lechtenberger.
Hello.
And from Samodia, Lukas Graal. Hi. In this video series, we want to show you each tool that is involved in the MTP toolchain, starting from the P&ID engineering up to the module engineering and concluding in the process orchestration layer. And all of these connected by the MT platform. Let's have a further look. So first of all, let's have a general short introduction into MTP. The MTP concept really focuses on dedicated modules. So you think in, for example, a reactor module, a mixing module, or a dosing module. And these predefined and pre-developed modules you can easily then put together for a short time to market. Each module then communicates with a higher process orchestration layer implemented in, for example, a SCADA or DCS. Another advantage is that you gain a quick time to repair by just replacing single modules if there should occur a failure. Or, of course, gain a high flexibility because you can just rearrange the modules, add or remove some modules to create a whole new process. This is possible because each module has a dedicated MTP description file that gets imported into the top-level control system for easy and automatic integration. Here we can see it a little bit in an architectural view. So we have the process orchestration layer, or in short POL, on top, which basically does the visualization of all connected modules and automatically generates that from the MTP description files. The second main part is the orchestration, where all functionalities that are offered by the MTP modules can be arranged in a recipe. On the lower level, we see the different modules, or also called PEAs, for process equipment assembly. We, for example, have a dosing, a reacting, and a mixing module, which is each connected via OPC-UA and has its own MTP file. Very important here is that this is a manufacturer-independent concept. So you see, we can, for example, have two Beckhoff modules, but also another module from another control vendor, which doesn't matter for the POL because it has the standardized integration.
Now, where we got to know the module type package concept, we can start with the whole engineering workflow. We will begin with the P&ID engineering in ePlan pre-planning. Here we can draw our P&ID for one module and export a requirements MTP file. So in this MTP file, the requirements MTP file, we have a basic structure of our PEA. When we export this file, we can directly push it to the MTP platform from Samodia via an API. On the MT platform, you can have a view of this MTP file, for example, of the HMI. Afterwards, when you go into module engineering, here with Beckhoff TwinCut, you can directly download the file via the same API from the platform into the module engineering. In Beckhoff, you can enrich the MTP file with the whole communication aspect and further control logic. After finished with this step, you can export the MTP file and also via the same API push it directly to the MT platform. On the MT platform, you now have the whole version history of this MTP file, and you have the productive MTP file and can manage it on the MT platform. When you want to go into the plant engineering, for example, into a POL like Xenon from Copper Data, you can also use the API to import the file and manage and commission your PEA. If you want to know further steps and more details of each tool, stay tuned for the next videos of our series.